Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to control sensitive content on Instagram. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Okay, first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now you can go to your profile, tap on your profile over here. And then click on the up right corner, the three lines. Tap on settings and privacy. You can scroll down and see there's a suggested content. Tap on that. Tap on sensitive content. Now you can choose how much sensitive content you want to see on Instagram. You can read here, control how much sensitive content you see from accounts you don't follow. Sensitive content doesn't go against our community guidelines, but refers to topics some people don't want to see. Now you can choose like less. You can read the note over here. You can confirm if you want to choose the less. You might see less sensitive content, or you want to choose this standard. You can confirm. I will choose less. You might see less content about topics some people don't want to see, such as sexuality suggestive content or some violence. This affect content from accounts you don't follow in Explore, Reels, Feed, Search, and Hashtag page. You'll still see everything from friends, family, and others you follow. Click Confirm. This affects search result as well as recommended content in Explore, Reels, Feed, and Hashtag people. So that is how to control sensitive content on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!